Here's a simple Python code. And can you find the output of this code? You can pause the video and think for a moment. Here, as you can see, we have a list having 239 in it, and then in temp variable, we are trying to run two for loops. This is where it gets tricky. So the correct output of this code is 239 list repeated 3 times. But why this happened? Let me explain. This code isn't that much complicated. All you got to understand is these loops. As you can see, there are two loops here. This is loop 1 and this is loop 2. And here we are trying to print x in data. That means data is 2, 3 and 9. X is going to iterate each of them. So our list will become 2, 3, 9. And there's a square bracket here. So this will become our list automatically. Now the second loop will run from 0 to 3 as you can see here. So it's 0, 1, 2. So it's gonna iterate 3 times. This is all you need to understand. That's why we got this output.